Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Shoutout Monday. Not just any Shoutout Monday. This one is Starrylock's Incentivize Shoutout Monday, where you can win yourself a £20 Lock Tools gift certificate. Each month there is 8 chances to win, 8 videos to check out, 8 channels under, there we go, under 100 subscribers are featured. All you have to do is go to the video that we select. Starrylock does a video, Pocket Women does a video. Go to the video that we select on the Shoutout Mondays, leave a comment, subscribe to that channel if you're not already subscribed, say that you are sent there by Starrylock. Starrylock is your entry ticket. Starrylock needs to be mentioned in the comments. That is the word we search when we search for the winner at the end of the month. Right. All the rules will be in the descriptions below of each Shoutout Monday. Please read them. If you don't follow the rules, you will miss out on a chance to win. Whoa, a Lock Tools gift certificate. I won it once and I brought some Lock Tools picks. Very, very cool. A series worth supporting, shout-outs worth going to. So today I've got 2 shout-outs for you, but in this video I'm just going to do one, and then after this video I will do another. Reason being, I was unable to do Shoutout Monday last Monday, so I'm making up for it this Monday, so that we do have the 8 shout-out videos for this month to go and check out. So the one I missed out on last week is Open Soon. Now Open Soon has 34 subscribers, about 23 videos, and looks like they are active on the Lock Sport Discord. So I'm just going to give you a little scan of what videos are there. By pressing the video button. There we go. Now I am new to this channel. This channel was recommended. Try not to do this too fast to give you all a headache. Now this shout-out was recommended by Lockpickings Gal. Now you can nominate any channel under 100 subscribers to be shouted out on a Monday as part of this series. All you have to do is contact Starrylock through his email in the description below. Tell him the channel that you would like shouted out, and we will bump it up the list. And there are a lot on the list. So if you want your own channel bumped up the list, or you would like a channel that you know of, you've been watching, bumped up the list, let us know and they will jump to the top of the queue. That's how it works. We like self-promotion here. So promote your own channel, promote your mates' channels. Right, let's get into Open Soon. Now, the video that I would like you to go to as part of the Shoutout Monday series to leave your comment on and to check out is this one here. Video 23, a low security door lock picked. It's a minute 21, just a little intro into their channel. I'm just going to give you a little bo peep of the channel now.
this is just a bit of fun. This is a lock that I've taken off a screen door of my house that I removed today. And by the look of it, can't quite see in there. It looks like it's a little wafer lock. Not really very secure usually.
That's all I'm going to give you of that one. So I want you to go to that video and leave your comment and subscribe to that channel. Shout Out Mondays. Lock Tools gift certificate from Starrylock. 8 chances each month. All channels under 100 subscribers. So let's bump these smaller channels up past the 100 mark, shall we? Whoa! Check out the next shout out that I'm going to do. I'll be posting it when I do it later on today. It'll be uploaded. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.